I'm here in Medfield, Massachusetts, and I'm here at this beautiful area, the Indian Hill Road. And I'm here that I'm featuring a property that is going to be on the market this coming week. So I'm at 45 Indian Hill in Medfield, Massachusetts. The property that we are going to put on the market is built in 1969. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and I'm featuring here the master bedroom with master bath and walk-in closet, a beautiful family room on the first floor with vaulted ceiling, walking to uh, a four-season porch, and also from that four-season porch you can walk to a deck and overlooking a beautiful yard with a lot of square footage. This property is going to be on the market this coming week. We're going to do open houses on the weekend. But if you know someone that is looking to buy a Colonial in Medfield with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, please let us know and we'll give you the earliest opportunity to buy this property. Thank you. And at the same, I wanted to say that we are experiencing low inventory. So if you are thinking of selling your home, now will be the best time so you can get the top dollar for your property. Thank you.